Good morning, students. Welcome to your science class. I hope you are good and doing great at your homes. Today, we are going to start our chapter. As you can see in the picture, so many things, but we are surrounded by much more things. And we are going to categorize these things as living and non-living thing. So yes, today our topic is living and non-living things. So first we will study about the living things. What are living things? Living things are those which can grow, move and need food. For examples, people, हम लोग, animals and plants are some examples of living things. So now to study more about living things, we have to understand the characteristics of all living things, and these are they born means वो पैदा होती हैं, they grow, they reproduce means वो अपने ही जैसे बेबीज़ को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं बाय लेइंग एग्स और बाय गिविंग बर्थ, and they die at the end. And we know that we also need to eat food. So all living things in the world need energy, and they get their energy from the food they eat. And also plants also have to take food. But how? Green plants can make their own food in their leaves. वो अपना food leaves में बनाते हैं. How? Using water and the nutrients taken from the soil, sunlight, air and a green colored substance called chlorophyll. All these are found in leaves. So plants also need food to live. But there are some non-green plants also, and how they get their nutrients, how they get their food? They get their food from the material on which they grow, just like mushroom. मशरूम क्या करती है? वो जिस भी मटेरियल के ऊपर ग्रो करती है, मान लो कोई चीज़ गल रही है, उसके ऊपर कोई लक्कड़ है, ठीक है ना, उसके ऊपर ग्रो कर जाती है और उसी वहीं से अपने न्यूट्रिएंट्स को लेती है, बिकॉज मशरूम इज़ अ नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट. एंड ह्यूमन्स आर omnivores as they eat both plants and animals. But non-living things do not need to eat food. And another characteristics of living beings is grow. All living things grow. As you can see in the picture, a seed grows to become a tree. ठीक है, एक प्लांट बन जाता है, एक ट्री बन जाता है. किससे बनता है? एक सीड से. एंड सेम लाइक इन ह्यूमन बींग्स, अ बेबी ग्रोज टू बिकम एन एडल्ट. ठीक है, वो बुजुर्ग हो जाते हैं एक उम्र में पहुंचकर. Now we are moving towards the next characteristic, and it is reproduction. When living things reproduce, they make other living things with the same characteristics. What it means? मतलब अगर काव का बेबी है, ठीक है, तो उसके पास क्या होंगे? बिल्कुल काव जैसे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स होंगे. अगर बर्ड इज लेइंग अ एग, एंड जब उसमें से हैचिंग के बाद एक बेबी निकलेगा, वो बिल्कुल कैसा होगा? अपने मम्मी पापा जैसा होगा. ठीक है, एक बर्ड के करेक्टर होंगे, मतलब उसके पास विंग्स होंगे. सो ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स रिप्रोड्यूस ऑफ देयर ओन काइंड. दिस इज अनदर करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स. नाउ वी आर मूविंग टूवर्ड्स नेक्स्ट करेक्टरिस्टिक्स, and it is also about the movement. All living things need the ability to move. For example, a girl is walking in the picture. We all human beings move for different work, for different needs. And animals also move from one place to another place in search of water, food and shelter. And next character is respire. All living things must be able to exchange gases with the atmosphere, which is called respiration. Means breathing karna, सांस लेना. All living things must take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. मतलब हम सभी ऑक्सीजन को अपने अंदर इनहेल करते हैं एंड वी ब्रीद आउट, वी एक्सेल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. बट इट इज़ opposite in case of plants. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, which is very important for us. All living things, when they reach their certain age, they die, and this is also important character of living things. Now we will discuss about the needs. All living things, what we need food to eat, water to drink, and air to breathe, and these are very important needs of all living things. And we all living things need a place to live, matlab we also need shelter to live. Now, time to study about non-living things. What are non-living things? Non-living things cannot grow, move, and don't need to eat food. As you can see in the picture, all these things do not need any food, any movement, and any growth in their life. Examples are car, table, pencil, house, doll, fan, mountains, clouds. All these are examples of non-living things, and you have much more examples of non-living things. We can categorize non-living things into two groups, natural and man-made. We will study about them one by one. First category is natural non-living things. Some non-living things are natural, which means that people does not make them, and these things are given by nature, made by nature. As you can see in the picture, air, the sun, rocks and minerals, water, the moon, and clouds. All these things are given by nature, so we are calling them natural non-living things. Why we are saying them non-living? Because they do not need to eat food, they do not need shelter, they do not need to breathe. So we are calling them natural non-living things. Other non-living things are man-made, which means that people make them. And you have so many examples of man-made non-living things. So this is all about the living and non-living things. I hope you get the topic. Now see the video again and clarify your topic again. Thank you.